So some of you have asked, just how am I making these videos to share with everybody? And I'm actually using Smart Notebook software to capture my screen as I talk at my computer. And over here in my dock, you can see Smart Notebook Tools. If you open up your Smart Notebook Tools, you will get a floating toolbar somewhere on the side of your screen. Mine appeared on the left-hand side, and it will open with a default set of tools. And if you go right on the bottom there where you see a gear and you open that up, you will get some choices of things to add to that set of floating tools, one of which is a recorder. Looks like a little video camera with a blue screen, and if I drag that over to my set, oops, it dragged the wrong thing. If I drag that over, it should add a recorder to my set of floating tools. I'm going to click Done. And if I click on that recorder, it will open up a Smart Notebook recorder box that you can see running in the bottom right hand part of my screen right now. And it looks like this. I took a picture of it and made it bigger. And right now it's recording my entire desktop, which is the default. You've got a couple buttons here. If I just hit record, it's going to record my whole desktop and everything that I do on my whole desktop. I've got a pause button and a stop button. But right next to the record button, I've got a little down arrow, a little drop down menu, and if I click on that, you get two choices. One, the default to record the desktop, and the next to record area. So for the other movies I've made, I've chosen record area. It allows me to choose a rectangle on my screen that I'd like to record, so then you don't see my dock, you don't see what's going across the top of my screen, you don't see extra stuff on the side, and I can just show you what I want to show you. So that's what I've chosen for my movies. When I'm done recording, oops, I click on the square, and then it will ask me to name my movie and choose a spot to save it. And it just saves my movie that I've created of my screen as a .mov file. And there are lots of different things that you can do with these movies to share things with students and staff.